planted in the snake plants. They just grow so well. Remember, we can't get these to live.
Right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. They're just all over the place. Wild stuff, you know? And then people sell them so expensive.
Right.
There's a young mango tree I come look at them, you know? I want to see that.
Yes, sir. Wild bush, somebody sell them so expensive.
Mm-hmm.
How about Duffy gun? You guys know no Duffy gun up there? We get some from Rich Virgin yesterday, huh? From Duffy gun, huh?
Dark blood. Duffy gun, dark blood, and chin and Duffy gun, the dark.
And them things, you know, I'm telling you today.
Shima Maka.
Yeah, we got some shimmy maca.
Yeah, we got some shimmer marker, huh?
Supposed to.
Yeah, we got some yesterday. We were checking our dreadlocks in the country, you know, for my mom, you know? Yeah. And then I whole bunch of things for you. See, I have some young Guinep people. Watch out, see that so? Young Guinep?
No.
Yeah, get them, man, huh? Because the young one was the better one, you know? That's Guinea, that's good for like all kind of ulcers, stomach problems. You know, I drink a lot of good stuff, you know.
Guinep is extremely rich in iron, great for people with anemia, high in phosphorus for boosting the immune system. It contains important antioxidants that fight free radicals that try to damage your cells or your blood vessels. If you have high blood pressure or blood pressure problems, period, give it a try. It's a rich source of vitamin A for supporting vision. It helps prevent cardiovascular disease and strokes, allegedly, treats intestinal problems, may help stomach ulcers, antimicrobial and antifungal, naturally alleviates anxiety, and boosts your mood by affecting your brain, your neurotransmitters, and it promotes a restful sleep because of the high levels of an amino acid called tryptophan. It's essential for your body to be able to repair and regenerate itself. So, if you need some Guinep or Guinep leaf, hit me up. I am the plug. Peace.